Sometimes you may have a variable, but you wish to see if different subgroups in your sample responded differently. For instance, we might be interested to know whether females indicated that their satisfaction with the teaching in a course was different from the way males responded. We call this a bivariate test. If one variable is category and the second variable is continuous, we use the compare means function. In the Data View tab, select the Analyze menu. Select Compare Means, then select Means. In the dialog box, put your first variable, the category variable, in the independent box. This is the variable that will allow us to subgroup our participants. And select your continuous variable and put it in the dependent box. Then select OK. The output provides two tables. The second table provides the comparison of the means for each of your subgroups. In this example, we can see that males appeared to be less satisfied with teaching than females. We would need to do a t-test to determine whether this difference is significant.